Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you tired of lugging around a bulky DSLR camera everywhere you go? Do you want a camera that's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers stunning image quality? Look no further, because we've scoured the market and tested the top mirrorless cameras to bring you our top picks for 2023. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist, or just looking to capture your memories in the best possible way, we've got a camera for you. So, let's dive in and find your perfect mirrorless camera. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera is an outstanding camera with top-of-the-line features. With its stunning 33-megapixel full-frame XMIR-RS CMOS sensor and Bionz XR engine, this camera is capable of capturing beautiful images with stunning clarity and detail. The autofocus system of the camera is lightning fast and accurate, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. The camera also has a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that keeps your shots steady even in low light conditions. One of the most impressive features of the Sony Alpha 7 IV is its high-resolution electronic viewfinder, which offers a clear and bright view of your subject, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera also has a large 3-inch LCD screen that tilts and rotates, making it easy to compose shots from various angles. In terms of video capabilities, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is a powerhouse, capable of recording 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The camera also has advanced video features like S/Log3 Gamma and HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, support, which provides greater dynamic range and better color grading options in post-production. Overall, the Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera is an exceptional camera that delivers exceptional performance and versatility. It is a great option for professional photographers and videographers who demand the best in image quality and functionality. If you are looking for the best mirrorless camera in 2023, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Canon EOS R5 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R5 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera is a high-end camera that packs a punch with its impressive features. This camera is perfect for professional photographers and videographers who need a reliable camera for capturing high-quality images and videos. With its 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic-X image processor, you can expect nothing but the best image quality. One of the most exciting features of this camera is its 8K video capability, allowing you to capture stunning footage that is rich in detail and color. Additionally, the camera offers a mechanical shutter that can capture up to 12 frames per second, ensuring you don't miss any important moments. The Canon EOS R5 is also equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which provides fast and accurate autofocus, making it easy to capture sharp images even in low light conditions. With its advanced image stabilization system, this camera is capable of capturing smooth and stable footage, even when shooting handheld. Another great feature of this camera is its connectivity options. You can easily transfer files wirelessly using the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, and you can even control the camera remotely using the Canon Camera Connect app. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 full-frame mirrorless camera is an exceptional camera that offers high-quality image and video capture, fast and accurate autofocus, advanced image stabilization, and excellent connectivity options. If you're looking for the best mirrorless camera for professional use, the Canon EOS R5 is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7R IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera. The Sony Alpha 7R IV is a top-of-the-line full-frame mirrorless camera that's designed to cater to the needs of professional photographers and videographers. With a 61MP XMIR sensor and advanced Bionz X image processor, it's capable of capturing stunning images with incredible detail and dynamic range. This camera also offers 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, which allows for high-quality footage with exceptional clarity and color accuracy. One of the standout features of the Alpha 7R IV is its fast and accurate autofocus system, which uses 567 phase detection autofocus points and 425 contrast detection autofocus points for precise and reliable focusing. It also has a high-speed continuous shooting mode of up to 10 frames per second, which makes it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. In addition, the Alpha 7R4 has a durable and weather-resistant magnesium alloy body that's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. It also offers a range of advanced features and customization options, including a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, an electronic viewfinder, and a tilting LCD touchscreen. Overall, the Sony Alpha 7R4 is one of the best mirrorless cameras available on the market in 2023, with advanced features and exceptional image and video quality that make it a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a high-end mirrorless camera that can handle any photography or videography task, this camera should be at the top of your list. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Panasonic Lumix S5 full-frame mirrorless camera is a perfect companion for professional photographers and videographers who demand superior image quality, versatility, and portability. With its 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor and 5-axis in-body stabilization, this camera produces stunningly detailed and sharp photos and videos. The camera has 4K 60p video recording capability that captures incredibly detailed videos with rich color and clarity. The autofocus system is lightning fast and precise, making it easy to capture sharp images and footage even in low light conditions. The camera is also equipped with a flip-out screen that makes it easy to shoot from any angle, whether you're taking photos or recording videos. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to transfer your photos and videos wirelessly to your computer or mobile device for easy sharing and editing. The L-mount system is compatible with a wide range of lenses, giving you the flexibility to use the lens that best suits your needs. The camera is also weather-sealed, making it ideal for outdoor shoots in all types of weather conditions. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix S5 full-frame mirrorless camera is an excellent choice for professional photographers and videographers who want a powerful and versatile camera that can deliver stunning results in any shooting situation. With its advanced features and exceptional image quality, it is easily one of the best mirrorless cameras of 2023. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R6 is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that offers exceptional performance and versatility. With its 20.1-megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic-X image processor, this camera delivers stunning image quality and fast processing speeds. It also features a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that compensates for camera shake, making it easier to shoot in low-light conditions or with long lenses. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R6 is its autofocus system. It uses advanced AI technology to track subjects and maintain focus, even in challenging conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for sports and wildlife photographers, as well as anyone who needs to capture fast-moving action. The Canon EOS R6 is also capable of shooting 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, making it a great choice for videographers. It has a fully articulating touchscreen display that makes it easy to frame shots and adjust settings, and it also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote control. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 is an outstanding camera that offers a great balance of performance, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking for a high-quality camera for personal use, the Canon EOS R6 is definitely worth considering. With its advanced features and exceptional image quality, it's definitely one of the best mirrorless cameras on the market in 2023.